All right, Nadia. So, as promised, I wanted to show you how to adjust that big homepage banner that's on your site. So that would be this one. That's going to be this site right here, or I'm sorry, this portion of your site right here. Give it a second to load. Sorry. Okay, so that's talking about this banner right here. So in the email that I sent you, I said that this picture should be at least 3600 pixels by 2400 pixels, just to give it this high quality look. It could probably be a little bit smaller, but just that aspect ratio is probably best case scenario because then it's going to look like this. So if you want to keep that same high quality, then that would be the same as this one. So how do we change this? The easiest way, so let me show you from the dashboard. So in order to change that background image, it's actually in a tab called Revolution Slider. Revolution Slider or Slider Revolution is a plugin that came with this theme. And so to change the background image, you actually have to click this tab, and it will take us to a page that looks like this. So yours, the one that you want to change is called Homepage Banner. So what you'll do is click on it and it'll take you to the next page, but I'm going to click on this one instead, just so I can show you how to change it without actually changing the one on your live site, just because I don't want to mess it up. So I'm going to click on this one. It would take us here. And when it opens up here, it's really easy to change it. So once you upload the picture, or I'm sorry, the first thing that you want to do before you do this is you want to upload whatever picture you want to use. You'll come to media, which will open up your media browser or your media library. And then you're going to click add new and then select file from your computer. So whatever picture, once your photographer, whoever gets the pictures to you, makes the one that you want to use, you'll go through that path. You'll go media, add new, select file. You make sure it's uploaded properly into here. It'll just pop up right here in the front. It'll be called whatever you want it to be called. And then the next step is then you come back into our Revolution or Slider Revolution. And it's as simple as clicking on, let me make sure I'm on the right one. I don't want to update your current one because I don't want to change what's visible on your live site. Okay, so I am on the right one. So once you click on the homepage banner, then you'll see right here, you only have one slide. If you want to make it a slider, so it slides between images, you can add an additional background image here, and it'll go from this one, and then it'll slide to this one, and then so on and so forth. If you want to set it up like that, it's a little bit, there's a couple more things that you probably should work on because as you can see, these two things here are also developed as part of this background image. And so the next slide won't have these two things on it unless you put it on there. Anyways, back to the original. If you just want to change the one background image, all you do is click here. This will automatically pop up under source, main background source. Click media library and then select the image that you want to change it to. So let's say, for example, we want to change it to this image. So we just select it and then click insert. And then as you can see, it automatically changed that background. Obviously, that's a terrible background for this because you can't see it. But just for example, that's what you would do. And then before you leave, you want to make sure you click save slide. And then that will save your background image and it should automatically update on your page. So once you push save slide, you can go back to your website, refresh it at the top, and then it will change here. This one won't change because I didn't actually change your original slider, but it should show the new picture here after you do those things. Okay, so hopefully that is enough information and that you can kind of go through this tutorial and do it yourself. If you have any questions, let me know and I can help you, or run into any concerns and I can help you go through this process yourself. Okay, good luck.